Hi Ray, I've got this is my design portfolio, and what I need done is if I click on this one here for Scenic Gems, this image here, it's a little bit pixelated because essentially I can only put the image in at the pixels that the frame is. It's like 450 pixels by 350 pixels. I can't remember exactly what it is, but ideally what I would like to do is put the same image in but twice the pixel count, so 900 by 700, and then this web container to resize the image to fit the frame. That way the image will look much sharper in resolution, whereas at the moment I can only put it in at the actual pixel count that it is there. So this website was built XML and Flash, so hopefully you can work with that. So essentially the brief is to any image within these frames for it to be set to fit to frame. So if the image was this big, when it's viewed in the website, it will only be as big as this frame here. So that's kind of it. The other thing that I would say is that I've put the website on scenicgems.com/previous design work. I've put a folder there. I find it really hard to clear the cache for the website. I can't clear it and view any changes. I could do it on the staging site, but once I put it on scenicgems.com, I can't clear it, and I'd say it's got to do with the rules that you have put in place for cache everything. So if there's anything that you can do in that regard, so that I could make changes to this website and clear the cache, that would be great. So leave it with you and let me know if you've got any questions. Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.